I'm Marianne Binetti, and if you haven't considered using wildflowers as ground covers, this is an invitation to use some of our native plants to crowd out weeds and to look beautiful in the springtime. Now, wildflowers are also really important for our pollinators. So this is Oxalis. Oxalis is spread from underground roots, so you see how it grows sideways like this, and it can be very invasive. You don't want to use our native Oxalis in small gardens. But in a woodland garden like this, in my 2 acres, it's great for blocking weeds and providing just the right kind of blooms that our pollinators need. So Oxalis kind of looks like a 4-leaf clover to me, and it disappears in the winter, then it comes back with this beautiful lush green growth. It has little white flowers. I'm going to pick one here. Little white flowers, you can see down there. And it blooms the same time as another wonderful ground cover called the bluebells, our native bluebells. Now the native bluebells, they don't have a real intense blue flower. They are more of a kind of a lavender blue, and they also bloom early, and that tubular shape is what the hummingbirds really like to get the pollen out of. So when you're using these native ground covers, they're great for understory plants. Use them underneath your flowering trees and shrubs. Again, in a woodland garden where all you need to do is make a pathway through them. They're not for a small garden, but they certainly are a wonderful addition to anybody who wants a low care, low water use ground cover plant that likes the naturally acidic soil that we have here in the Pacific Northwest. This has been Marianne Binetti, Easy Answers for Great Gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.